drawing, Ahmad?
A bird.
A bird?
Yeah. It's like this.
Okay, and then?
Then the eyes. This is a baby one. Yeah.
Okay.
The baby bird wanted to. The mom need to give the baby bird to drink the mom's milk.
Birds drink milk?
Yeah.
I thought they ate worms and drank water.
And also, the baby worm is the baby bird is eating a worm.
It's got teeth like humans?
No.
Oh, that's a worm.
Yeah.
I
It's
see.
a worm.
Okay.
The worm. This is a baby worm. Then the baby worm wanted to get out.
Oh. And
From the tree.
they are on top of a tree?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
This is the plant.
You mean the leaves?
Yeah. And there's a human. The human saw the bird.
No, and then?
Then the mom bird the mom of the bird.
Okay.
This is the sister.
Oh, that's the sister.
Then the sister. There's two baby birds. The baby bird. Then the baby bird is flying.
How many wings?
Here.
Okay, flying.
Yeah. Here.
Where is it going?
It is
It
going.
looks like a chicken.
But it's not.
It's not. Okay.
But it has a worm.
The baby bird is flying with a worm in its beak.
Yeah. Because the worm like to come in the mouth of the bird.
The worm yang likes to go in to the beak.
Yeah.
It wants to be eaten.
But
The other worm was trying to get away, but this worm wants to be eaten.
yeah.
Okay. That's a weird worm.
Right on the ground have a big hole.
A big hole on the ground.
More hole.
Okay.
And also a biggest.
A bigger hole.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's full
Oh,
of
who fall?
wings.
It's full of wings.
No.
The hole.
It's full about worms.
Oh, it's full of worms. The
Yeah.
hole in the ground.
Yeah, and here have a lot. And here.
Worms.
Yeah.
Many worms. Okay.
Yeah.
Because worms live in the ground,
Yeah.
in the dirt.
Yeah.
Okay, and then sit properly, sayang.
Then
Uh-huh.
the bird likes to eat. Then there's food about
You have to sharpen your pencil.
about
Why are you holding your pencil like that?
about worms on the ground. And also there's another tree.
Another tree.
Yeah.
We are up in the sky sekarang ni kan? On the tree. Big tree.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are the leaves? Okay, those are all leaves. So many leaves. What a big tree kan?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also there's a hole.
A hole.
It's a owl.
It's an owl's home.
Here's the pictures of them.
Them. Who?
Yeah.
The owls? It's so small kan? Okay.
Cannot paint the pictures.
No, it's okay. You can color it with color pencils kan?
And also
What is the owl doing?
it's sleeping.
Oh, because it's during the day, right? Owls don't sleep at night. What do owls eat?
Worm.
Worms. Okay. I thought owls ate rats and spiders.
Spiders.
Yeah. Other animals eat spiders.
But the owl eats spiders.
Yeah.
It's sitting.
Okay.
You see?
Oh, it's so dark. Okay, because it's in a hole in
and
a tree,
also-
right?
But no, it's not eating.
No.
The-
I meant it's dark because it's inside a hole in the tree.
But the owl is sleeping on the night.
At night, owl sleeps. Iya ke?
Yeah.
Alright, what is that?
A moon.
Oh, it's a cute moon. It's like the letter C. What is that? Is that a star? Or...
Yeah.
You know how to make a star. Wow.
Dulu, I cannot make a star.
But now you can, kan?
Yeah.
Because you're a big boy, kan? Cute.
This is the home of the stars.
In the sky, right? So the sky is dark. It's now nighttime. So the owl is not sleeping anymore?
It's sleeping.
It sleeps day and night?
Yeah.
So when does it go out and hunt for food?
It hunt about spiders.
I know, at what time?
Spiders, fox.
Fox? Big
worms,
foxes?
Worms and snails and also butterflies and also birds.
Whoa.
But
when does it hunt for food? Day or night?
day.
Oh.
Here's the ground and also there's a tree.
What is that? It's a little bush.
There's a web.
Oh, spider's web.
Yeah.
So the owl is looking at the spider's web because it wants to eat the spider?
Yeah. And also, here's the web.
Oh, it's down there.
And also, there's a spider.
To clip your nail. Oh, that's the spider. Scary spider.
It's looking for flies.
Oh.
And also, there's a
So this is not a bird-eating spider, right?
no.
Do you have spiders on your baju? Oh yeah. How many spiders do you have there?
1, 2, 3. 3.
Spiders.
Yeah, 3 spiders. And also, here's the fly. It's the fly near to the
Bush.
spider.
Oh no, it's gonna get trapped in the spider's web. And the spider's gonna eat it. And then the owl's gonna eat the spider. Right?
Yeah.
So what happens to the birds?
The birds. And also, the sister bird
Sister bird.
eat spiders.
Oh no.
This boy spider. Uh-huh.
Okay. Are you done?
Yeah.
Alright. Can I see your artwork? Ooh.